Today we are going to show you how to download the West Des Moines Community Schools smartphone app from your App Store on your iPhone. Find the App Store icon and click on it. Then type in West Des Moines Community Schools into the search bar. You'll realize you have the correct one when you see the black icon with the white, blue, and orange W in the center. Click the download button. The app should download relatively quickly. Once you see the open button, click on it. The smartphone app will then open. Please select Allow. We would like to send you important notifications from your students' schools. A pop-up screen will ask to find by location or choose from a list. Please select Choose from List. This will allow you to select one or more schools to follow. Once you have selected all of the schools that you would like to follow, click Next. It's that easy. The district app is now on your phone and you're finished with loading. In our next tutorial, we'll show you some of the features within the app.